Oftentimes they're being hit with this kind of avalanche of emotions of, I'm terrified, I'm embarrassed, I'm angry, that there is no hope, that things look dim. And then the next step beyond those emotions is, how am I going to fix this? Processing that by yourself is difficult and scary. So we try to talk with clients about the fact that we're going to provide a pathway that's going to get you an outcome that's going to be beneficial to you, right? That there is hope that exists at kind of the end of that tunnel. The advice that we've given them is spot on, and that they're making progress and they're getting to that pathway of success. And hope tends to grow as they see some of that progress being made. It's important to get a lawyer involved early because if you've never been through an experience before, you need to look for a professional that understands the process, understands what it's going to look like when you go to court, but also what you need to be doing separately from just simply appearing in court, so that you're making your case better from the outset by showing the court that whatever happened on that day is not really who I am as a person. Everybody makes mistakes. And some people go through their life and make lots of mistakes but don't get caught for the mistakes. Some people make one or two mistakes and get caught for both of them. The idea behind the criminal justice system is trying to mitigate the damage long term of what that mistake is. You need to be confident in who the person is that's sitting next to you at counsel table. They're your advocate. They're the person that's going to argue for whether or not you end up in a prison setting, or whether you end up on probation, whether you end up at home with your family. They need to have experience. They need to be able to have won trials, and make sure that the state and the government understand that you have the best attorney in your corner. And in my opinion, our office has those best attorneys. Reach out to an attorney, have a discussion about your case, learn what is the next steps going to be so that you have information and that you feel confident with who's going to be in your corner.